Hello guys. Today we're gonna learn how to make a chart like this. We can call it a comparison graphic chart. This chart can be used, for example, comparing actual sales versus target. But in this tutorial, we want to make a chart that's showing our month-to-date performance versus last month performance, in terms of rooms sold. So without any further ado, let's begin the tutorial. First, let's make a table like this. Date. August. September. Decrease. Increase. And difference. In the date column, fill with number from 1 to 31. In August and September columns, fill up with rooms sold figure. I put by random number around 90 to 205. Let's say 205 is our maximum room available. Now in decrease column, before we input the formula, let me explain it first to you what we want Excel to fill it up with. We want to instruct Excel like this. Hey Excel, if the number of August's rooms sold is higher than September's rooms sold on this date, I want you to fill this cell with the total of our room available, 205, plus 45. But if August's rooms sold is not higher than September, please fill this cell with hashtag N/A. In other words, if August is higher than September, you put number 250. Otherwise you write hashtag N/A. So that is the instruction we want to give to Excel. Why 250? I will explain it to you later on. And this is the formula. In the increase column, the formula is the opposite of the previous formula. The last column, the difference column. As its title, we just need to find the difference between August rooms sold and September rooms sold. After you copy it down, for sure we will have some negative numbers. It is because of the formula that we just input. And for this chart, we do not want to have these negative numbers, we want the number to be absolute. So we just need to modify the formula again a little bit. After the equal sign, just type ABS, and put the first formula inside brackets. Now we have finished preparing the data source. Let's continue and make the graph. Block the table that we just made. Not all table, but only from August column until increase column. Click Insert. And choose a simple 2D stacked column. After the chart appear, right-click on any of the series, and choose Change Series Chart Type. And we are now starting to make some adjustment. Change the August series chart type to line. Decrease and increase column to scatter. And tick the secondary axis checkbox. Then click OK. Now delete the secondary vertical axis by simply click on it and press Delete button on your keyboard. Now as you see, the decrease and increase chart series are located on 250. So basically, let's say the hotel was running 100%, then there will still be some gap to the stacked chart. I want to modify this chart a bit. I want to delete the vertical axis. Delete this line. Change the chart title. Adjust the series overlap, gap width, and make the line a bit transparent. Right now we can see this month rooms sold figure that represent in bar chart, versus last month rooms sold figure that represent in transparent line chart. Furthermore, we want to know the difference between those two figures. That is why we made that scatter chart. To make it more attractive, We want to change the dot to triangle. So we need to make that triangle first. Go to Insert, Shapes, and choose the triangle. Change the color to green, and without outline. Now copy the triangle. Go to Format, Flip Vertical, and change the color to red. Back to the chart, click on this gray dot. Then press Ctrl V. Repeat the process again to change the yellow dot to become green triangle. Now watch how we add data labels for these decrease and increase scatter chart. And that is how we make this chart. Now you can try to make it yourself for the rooms sold, room revenue and average room rate. As usual, please check the link on this video description for a file that you can download for free. Don't forget to support this channel by hitting that like, share, and subscribe button below. And I will be more than happy if you can give me any feedback or questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Keep learning and keep growing.